Good morning. My name is Benjamin Chong Tong Ching, and my matrix number is 04 DKM23F1009, and I am from DKM5B. Today, I'd like to share the findings of a recent survey conducted by ASK Group on an unusual but interesting topic, the most hated fruit. While we often hear about the people favorite foods, this study flips the script and focuses on the ones people dislike the most. It also takes into account gender differences in these preferences. Let's begin by looking at the gender breakdown of the respondents. According to the smaller pie chart on the left, 57.9% of the participants were female, while 42.1% were male. This indicates that the majority of responses came from women, which is something to keep in mind as we interpret the result. Female preference female preference may have a slightly stronger influence on the overall outcome. Now, moving on to the main results. The larger pie chart shows the distribution of the disliked fruits. Leading the list is kiwi, with 38% of respondents identifying it as their least favorite. That's more than one third of all participants. Coming in second is cantaloupe, disliked by 20%. This is followed by durian, which is 14%, passion fruit for 12%, and pomegranate, which is 10%. The least disliked fruit on the list is currants, with just 6% of the vote. From this, we can observe the exotic of our bold favored fruits like kiwi, cantaloupe, and durian tend to be more polarizing. In contrast, currants, although they have a distinct taste, are less commonly consumed, which may explain their lower ranking in terms of dislike. There are a few possible reasons behind this preference. Kiwi has a sour, tangy taste and a fuzzy texture that not enjoy for everyone. Durian, often called the king of fruits in the southern Asia, has a famously strong odor that many find off-putting. Passion fruit also has a very intense flavor, which may not appeal to all taste buds. Meanwhile, currants are less familiar to many people and are rarely part of everyday diets. So, fewer respondents has had a strong negative opinion about them. In conclusion, the survey reveals that kiwi is the most disliked fruit among respondents, while currants are the least disliked. The result also reflect a slightly stronger female perspective due to the gender description of the survey. Ultimately, this reminds us that fruit preferences are highly personal and shaped by a mix of taste, culture, and individual experience. Thank you.